Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, when I say live, what I mean is I'm recording myself right now in real time, seeing information, seeing the data for the very first time. In other words, I don't know what's coming next. So to respect your time, if you are looking for a video where the person's got hindsight in their favor and they're doing a trade recap or something like that, this won't be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted, nitty-gritty, dirty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, I'm confident you'll find value in this video. So I'll pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back at market open. Okay, I have an order at 48 for a put. The price wants to come up a bit more here. I am doing options. If you're not sure what I mean when I say that, let me know in the comment section. Just put guide, please, and I'll link you to a free guide called The Big Basics of Options. It'll walk you through the terminology, all that. Options have a reputation for being complicated and all that, and they can be made complicated, but they don't have to be. They can be approached in a more simpler way, and that's how I approach them, in a more simpler way. So if you're somebody that likes to approach things with kind of the KISS method, keep it simple, stupid, and then like I said, just comment down below option guide, and I will link you to that free class. So, all right, I'll pause for now. All right, going to try to pick up put here at 49. Okay, let's go to 47.70 now. Nope, I don't like how it's sitting there at all. If you scroll back, you'll see I was best offer and it just would not fill me. So let's go to 45.70 now. Even now, look at 47 down here. 47.70 just sitting there. So now it's one of those situations where it seems like if you get filled at that level, it's just going to blow right by you, which is not the situation that I'm looking to be in. Again, looking down there is what I was talking about, 47.70. We'll see if it, so watch that. See if 47.70 shows up, and if it passes by, see how fast it drops past 47.70. So there it is. Okay, not as terrible as what I thought it could have been. So maybe I should have just stayed at 47.70. But at this point, I'm now at 45.70. All right, I'll pause. All right, going to try for one here at 47. A put, that is. No, this is just a challenge to even get filled. Let's go to 44.70. Needs to come up. So I'm glad I canceled that one out. And I'm at 44.70, so just need a bit of a more of a move upwards. All right. Go to 44.50 now. There we go. There we go. In at 44.50. Just stuck there on the offer. Look at the offer. That was 45 and it just sat there. So that's a little unnerving. See if I can get one down here at 42. Got that. See if it wants to come down a bit. Have an order at 43.50. Okay, got that out. I'm at 80 and got that out. So yeah, rough trade. Again, if you go back and scroll, you'll see that original one. Look right there and you'll see 45, which I was trying to get out at, which is sitting there and sitting there and sitting there. And that's usually these ones you can get out relatively quick. But starting with one contract, I had plenty of wiggle room. So I just, added in another one and everything worked out just fine. But nonetheless, not how I thought that one would go. I thought that would be relatively quick. And it looked like it was going to be relatively quick in and out. But then, like I said, it just got stuck on that 45 and would not fill me there. All right, well, if this wants to continue on up, I'll look to start the process all over. So I guess I probably sound kind of like an ungrateful, greedy savage. I'm sitting here basically complaining, but I'm still up $80. So, I mean, $80, the market's been open 10 minutes. I don't know many places in the world where you can make $80 in 10 minutes working from home in your bathrobe. But so I don't mean to sound like a greedy savage, but just trying to build a little bit more context. I will go ahead and pause. Have an order at 37.70 for a put. All right, I was close for a second. Or I thought I was getting close, and right now I think I'm getting close maybe. Okay, I'm going to go to 37.50 now. All right, I'll pause. Okay, I have an order at 41.50 for a call. Need the price to come down just a bit more. Okay, got close. All right, I'll pause, but I will keep an eye on it. Have an order at 30, nice in at 37.70. And out for $50. Good. Let's go to 34.70 now, and we'll start the process over again. So I'm now at 34.70. We'll see if we can get another move to the downside. All right, I'll go ahead and pause for now. Well, I'll keep it going because this is pretty good action. All right, I'll pause. Okay, I'm at 33.50. All right, that's what I needed. So we'll go to 32.10 now. So we'll see if we can get another push to the downside. All right, I'll pause, but I will definitely keep a very close eye on it. All right, going to try for one here at 41.70, a call that is. Actually, let's do this. Let's do 41.10. 40.70. So let's see if it wants to just drop down a little bit more. I will go ahead and pause. Okay, maybe coming down here. Okay, that's what I wanted on that move. So I got to go to 39.50 now. All right, I'll pause. Okay, I have an order at 39.70. Thought it was going to get close for a second, and it kind of did. I'll go to 39.10 now. I'll go ahead and pause. Have an order at 41.50 now. Nope. Oh no, that's okay. That's all right. Try 41. All right, let's go back to 39.10 and just stick with my original plan and not try to get fancy about things. Maybe I should be getting fancy, but that's what hindsight will tell us. But as of this moment, exact moment, I don't have hindsight. So we'll see if we can get 39.10. All right. Got to go to 38.10 now. There we go. Come on. I was on best offer there for a second. All right, got to go to 37.10 now. Whoa, whoa, what was that? That was crazy. I'm glad I got that. You can scroll back and you'll notice here these things just went bonkers, but that's because you had a quick bounce up right there. Well, again, hindsight, I should have gotten fancy because that would have worked out very, very nice. But like I said, that's all hindsight. And that's why I have like lots of money. I'm very, very, very wealthy in my hindsight trading account. I'm sure you are though too. Yep. So I should have, could have, would have gotten fancy, like I said. I decided, you know what, let's stick with the original plan. Did not get filled, and then it would have gotten a very nice move. Good old hindsight. All right, I am going to try to get fancy here. 39.70. No, this is just not. Something does. It's just. I'll tell you what it is. It's the YouTube voice that's leading me into. Just get a trade on, Clay. Put a trade on. Your viewers are getting sick and tired of you pausing, starting, changing entry points. Just get filled. So that is completely the YouTube voice trying to lure me in. But I got to stick with the original plan, 37.10. So let's just see it come down a little bit more. Okay, there we go. Oh, so close. So got to go to 36.50 now. Okay. Was this another fake breakdown of this area? Is this finally some sort of bottom trying to chip itself out? Keep an eye on that trend line there. It seems to be doing a relatively decent job. All right, I'll pause. We're going to try for put here at 39.70. All right. Maybe I was too slow. We'll see if it wants to head back up. Well, maybe here. There we go. In at 39.70. And out for $50, and I don't know, what was that, 5 seconds? So I'll take that. All right, nice little trade. I will go ahead and pause. Have an order at 35.10. Okay, that was a move that I wanted, so let's go to 34.50 now. Again, looking to play a put. Actually, what is it on the 5 minute? 70. So let me so yeah, about 32.70. That's certainly subject to change, but that I think will get me in the ballpark. Just notice something on the 5 minute time frame. You're just looking at the 1 minute. This right here is the 1 minute. Let's try that again. This right here is the 1 minute time frame that you're looking at. You can see that down there. But I'm looking at other time frames on my other monitors, but just for logistics sake, it would be very difficult to record all the monitors and you wouldn't be able to see anything. So yeah, we'll see. Yeah, 70, so 3. Yeah, so more so about 30. Yeah, I guess I'm not terrible. Go 33.10. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 32.50. Let's see it come up just a bit more. $31.70, and that's still subject to change. I'm sort of trying to figure out where the price of the contracts might be when the price of SPY gets up to these certain levels. All right, I'll pause. I'm going to try for call here at 43.70. Nope, don't like how it's just pausing right there. Never mind on that one. Let's try 41.10 now at this point. Again, you can scroll back and you'll see I was just sitting there, and I don't like that. All right, I'll pause. All right, going to try to pick up call here at 39.50, in at 39.50, out for another $50, and literally, I don't know, once again, what was that? 2 seconds? And I'm not exaggerating. I think that was literally about 2 seconds. 1001, 1002. Yeah, probably right around 2 seconds. All right. I need to stop talking though. Throw out an order. Let's have, okay, bigger nasty move here. Let's see if this thing wants to come down. So that's 4, so 33.50. This order here is certainly subject to change. But if this wants to snap down here really quick, I'll try to be ready for it. All right, I will pause. Have an order at 44.50. I think 44.10 might be a bit more accurate. See if it wants to come down. Keep an eye on it. Have an order at 49.70 here, but I don't think that's right. I know that's not the right spot for it based on the level 2s. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 38.50. Okay, 39.50 is going to be more, so it looks like the accurate one. See if it wants to come back down. Maybe I was too slow. I'll pause. Have an order at 32.50 for a put. Ooh, you're seeing this action here. Getting real spicy. Let's go to 31.10 now. I'm going to err on the side of caution. If I don't get filled, oh well, I'm still up, over $200. See if it wants to come up a bit more. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 39.70. In at 39.70. Out for another quick $50. I need to stop talking so 36.10. We'll try that. Or 34.70. Very spicy action right now. Okay, 34.70. This action is getting real spicy here. Again, that's why I'm erring on the side of caution. If I don't get filled, oh well, I'm still up now. $80 with commissions. It's called $265. All right, I'll pause. Okay, maybe another move here. Nope. Gotta go to 32.70 now. I will try to for a bit of a bigger gain though, if it can get up there. I'll pause. Have an order at 44.50 for a put. You can see again, pretty spicy price action. See if it wants to jump up there. I'll pause. All right, I'm going to go ahead and call it good. And yeah, I'm excited about this one because we caught some really good spicy action on video. So yeah, sometimes when things get spicy, you'll have to manage it however you want to. But I like to get a little bit more conservative, especially if I'm already green. I mean, why not? But that's all I have for you. So if you enjoy these live trade videos, if you'd like for me to continue to make these, do 2 things for me. Hit that like button. Leave a comment down below. If you want to trade alongside me and other traders, check out the community, Clay at claytrader.com/team. And I'd love to have you as a member. So everybody take care. Have a good one and enjoy yourself. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only 1 losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.